This dashboard analyzes the leading cause of traffic fatalities in the US. You can see we have a map on the upper left that shows where accidents occur, while on the right-hand side you can see the number of accidents that are caused by distracted driving. Now, all of these dashboards are connected, so if I wanted to find out more details about California, as I click on it, it'll filter all of the views. So we can see on the bottom left the impact on the gender of the people in these accidents. We can click on Texas and see how everything changes really easily. Now, as we look at this data, on the crosstabs on the right, we can actually sort this data really easily. Just with a simple click, I can sort by year this way, and I can also drill into each year to get more detail. And if I want to focus my attention just on 2015, I can keep only, and you can see all the details right here. And I can also go all the way down to the details to see the underlying data, all the details behind that one point, really, really easily. Now, we've set up this dashboard to also support guided analytical flows. So you can see here that we have the ability to drill into another dashboard to analyze accidents over time. Now, here it is right here. You can see all of the accidents by time that occur in the United States. Now, if you look at this data, there's not a big pattern in when accidents occur, but if I change my filter to look at only drunk drivers, you can see how there's a big pattern on the weekends. Sundays and Saturdays is when most of the accidents occur, especially late at night. Now, if we go back to our dashboard right over here, we've set up a lot of different filtering options. So for instance, if I want to see the states that have at least 1,000 accidents, I can just change my little slider and move that to the right or move that to the left, and you can see how the states appear. I can also animate this dashboard and see how it changes over time. 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. Now, this view is really great. However, a different way of looking at this data is by seeing it in a hex map. So with one click, I'll switch my view to a hex map. And now you can see each state ranked by the number of accidents. And here you can see that Texas has the most accidents and is ranked number 1. And this makes sense because the population of Texas is really high, but we can easily switch it and normalize it based on population. And when I do that, you can see how actually Wyoming has the most number of accidents, but New Mexico has the most distracted driving. And I can go in and look at how much people drive, and you can see how the rankings change. In this case, South Carolina ranks number 1 for most accidents. Now we can drill in even more and look at the ranking of each of the states over time. And now we see this chart that shows how each state is changing. You can see how Georgia was number 9 in 1990 and is now number 4. Here's North Carolina going from 10 to 5th place in terms of most accidents. So Tableau really provides you the most flexibility to see and understand your data in any way.